If a person's salary is increased by 15% or $375, what is his original salary? There's two different ways we could solve this problem. One way is we could recognize that whenever we want to uh, raise somebody's salary by 15%, we would take 15% of the salary, and that would equal our raise, which in this case we know the answer. We know our raise is $375. So we could translate this into a math equation, 0.15 or 15 over 100. Of is a word in math that means to multiply, and our salary we don't know. That's our unknown x. So 15 over 100x equals 375. And now we can do opposite operations to isolate x and move everything over to the other side. In this case, we need to divide both sides by 15 over 100, but when we're dividing with fractions, we're actually multiplying by the reciprocal, or doing keep, change, flip. So we need to put 100 in the top, 15 on the bottom, so that this cancels. Then we have 100 over 15. 100 times 375 will give us 37,500 all over 15. And now we could divide. We could say how many times can 15 go into 37,500? Well, 15 can go into 32 times. That's as close as we can get. We'll be left over with 7. Bring down our 5. 15 can go into 75 5 times with no remainder. 15 can go into 0 times. 15 can go into 0 times. So our answer is 2,500, making B our correct answer. Now, the other way you could have done it, and this might be a bit faster, is pick a number to start with. I would recommend picking in order of greatest to least numerically your middle answer choice. And then find 15% of as many answer choices as you need to get to 375. I'll show you what I mean. 2,500 times 15 over 100, finding 15% of that number. We would cross out our zeros and be left with 25 times 15. I'll do that up here. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. Placeholder 0. Anything times 1 is just itself. 5, 7, 3. We'd have 375, which matches our word problem, also making C our correct answer.